Yeah.
Ikaw lamang ang nasa isip ko, sinta. Sana'y di na tayo magkahiwalay kahit kailan.
Then promise me something.
What?
Don't become someone who forgets the people of believing.
I don't know what to do with her.
Huh? She was his first love life. They were together for 5 years. Some feeling don't exist.
But she's new. Ma'am Mara deserves the promotion more.
Hi love, this is your lunch.
This is so big. I can eat this for 1 month.
Do you know what hurts?
Here we go again.
You light up when you say her name.
It's for...
No, it's admiration. I feel invisible in my own marriage.
You're being dramatic.
Dramatic or just being honest? I've been patient, I've been understanding, but patience has a limit. Tell me honestly, if you asked you to come back, would you? No. Why? Because I already learned the lesson that you're still learning.
You're losing her.
Because I praise my assistant.
No, because you enjoyed being admired. And admiration is addictive. You're stronger than most CEOs I know.
I never wanted to be strong.
Then why stay?
I just wanted to be loved the way I loved him. Because sometimes you hope people will remember who they used to be. But hope can also expire.
Look up in the skies, a bird is a plane. Nah, it's just me and the damn thing changed. Live in hotels, swing on planes. Blessed to say, money ain't a thing. Club jumping like LeBron now. Bowl it, order me another round. Homie, we about to clown. Why? Cause it's about to go down.
This company started with a dream, and some people never stop believing in it.
Yes, some people never stop believing. Some people stop choosing. I've had too much. We need to address majority ownership.
What are you talking about?
The 60% of this company belongs to Mara Villarosa. That means
She controls the board.
oh hi,
You planned this?
I built this. You were the dreamer, I was the believer. But somewhere along the way, you fell in love with applause. Everyone here knew.
For the record, I'm engaged. I came here because Mara asked me. Are you sure about this?
He deserves the truth.
And what if he fails?
Then at least I stop lying to myself.
You loved him first.
No, I just loved him longer. 200 million. Deal?
You were part of this?
You needed to see that I was never the threat.
It was a leadership observation.
You tested me?
No, I gave you space to show who you are without me defending you. That means the company will survive. The board votes next week. We're getting a divorce.
Do you still love me?
Love was never small. Your ego was just too much. I'm resigning as an investor. ready to choose a person of praise. 5 minutes. I feel invisible in my own marriage.
It was a leadership observation.
1, 2, 3, go! Ay, alam mo, matakpan yung mukha mo. 1, 2, 3, go! Go!
You're stronger than most CEOs I know.
She was his first love, right? Hoy! Line mo! I came here because I feel good. Tell me honestly, if you asked it to come back, would you?
It was a leadership observation.
You tested
It was a leadership. It was a leadership observation.
Prinsipahin kita, Bryce!
It was a leadership observation.
You tested me?
You're losing her.
Nakasat.
You're losing her. Because I pray.